अस्तो म सद्गमय तमसो म ज्योतिर्गमय। असत्य नहीं सत्य की ओर, अंधकार नहीं प्रकाश की ओर ले चलो। Let us start our maths class with these golden words. But before start teaching, I would like to talk with you all. We will talk about the subjects and we will talk about the methods I will follow to teach you all, and we will talk about the way you all have to follow. We will talk about the importance of maths, we will talk about the difficulties of maths, and we will talk about the required attitude to study maths. It is seen that most of the students have been facing difficulties in mathematics from the very beginning, and it is very important for the students who want to make their career in science sector, because there is a great application of maths in physics, in chemistry, in economics, in commerce, in geography. There are a lot of subjects in which maths are applicable. So we can't ignore maths. And I will try well to eliminate your difficulties and make your maths better. To study maths, the most common problem that most of the students are facing, and that is communication problem. As Hindi is our mother tongue, but as we all are studying in CBSE, that is English medium school, so we are we are compelled to study in English. To eliminate this problem, I have decided to explain in both the languages, in English and Hindi. But it is not sufficient. All of you must improve your English. Study English grammar and translation. And because if we can't understand the question in word problem, most of the students face the problem in word problems. They simplify the expression but stuck with the word problems. If one can't understand the question, then how can they solve it? There is steps to solve the question. The first requirement is to understand the question as well. So first, if our English is better, then we can understand the question and solve it. And different attitudes are required to study different subjects. For example, mathematics is the subject to practice. As much we will do practice, our maths will be better, will get better. Physics is the subject to understand. So read it, analyze it, imagine it, and read until you get it. And chemistry is the subject to learn. However, these all things are common in all the subjects, whether we are studying language and literature or social study. All subjects require understanding, require practice. But here I have stated about maths, physics and chemistry. In maths, we must focus on practicing. Fix your goal that I have to solve 10 questions daily. And if you feel difficulty in any problem, then solve that question 2 times, 3 times, 5 times. You will be expert of maths. And my objective is to make you expert, make you master, not a student in maths. But condition is that you must follow my instruction. Let us talk about how I will teach you. First, I will introduce the topic, explain it as well with the help of examples, and then I will give you the assignment for the same. and all of you must do the assignment. And if you have any difficulty to solve the problem that I have taught earlier, leave your question in the comment box, and you all are requested to like and dislike the video. If you are not agree, if you can't understand, if you feel any lacking in the video, feel free to dislike it, but I request you to mention the reason of your disliking in the comment box. Leave the reason in comment box. In the next, behalf of you, behalf of students, however, I will try well to create interest in you all, but it is required your patience, your commitment, your devotion, and your regularity. You all must heard or read the story of tortoise and rabbit. Do labor hard, as it is said that labor never goes in vain. Be hopeful. Don't be hopeless and don't embarrassed. Be hopeful all the time. The clouds of darkness will escape and the ray of hope will emerge if we do labor hard. Do labor hard with a lot of honesty, and if you are truthful, then there is easy to be success. And at last,